Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete your videos on TikTok, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete your videos on TikTok, first open up your TikTok app on your phone. And on this interface guys, in order to delete your videos, you can see your profile icon available for us at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that profile icon. And over here you can see all of your videos you had uploaded or posted on TikTok will be over here. All of your repost also you can see your sounds, and over here you can see your liked ones. Now in order to delete a video of yours, all of your video would be over here where it says the latest or popular over here, and open up the video which you want to delete. And after you have opened the video, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there is a three-dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three-dotted icon and open up, and on this menu guys you can see there are three lines of icon over here. Scroll the third line or the bottom line to the very end, and you will be able to find a delete option for us. Tap on that delete, and that video on your TikTok account will be deleted. And with that being said guys, this is how to delete your videos on TikTok. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.